When you take a look at your day, you have the ultimate capability to decide how your day is going to go and how it's going to start. So where does gratitude fit in and how does it help you? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Silvenbell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about gratitude and growth and a fantastic day to talk about you. I'm coming to you live from Kahana Bay, Oahu. All right, so I jump on coaching calls, and it doesn't matter if it's a salesperson, an entrepreneur, offer owner, practitioner, it doesn't matter where the person is in their role. This is the common thing. Person tells me, hey, I've got problems in my life, things are not going right. So I say, let's start with what happened this morning. So we go through this process and they tell me it all started with problem, pain, or issue, and it's usually traffic. I'm going to share with you, it's usually traffic. Sometimes it's a significant other, but let's start with traffic because it's universal. Person is on their way to the office, person is trying to meet with a client, and they either get cut off or they get caught behind somebody who's driving slow. So now the whole impetus of the day, the whole priming of the day, the whole idea of the day has started with, I had a bad day because it started with traffic. And then the bad day that starts with traffic follows into, I had a bad client. Well, was it that you had a bad client, or was it that you had bad traffic or somebody cut you off and you took that into the meeting? Well, most of the time it's they took it into the meeting. And then you wouldn't believe what happened at the office. I got into a fight with Sally. Well, did you get in a fight with Sally because if we go backwards, it was the bad client, which was caused by you getting stuck in traffic? One of the greatest tools that you have at your advantage has everything to do with how you start your day and how you use a master list to take care of what's going on. So here's what I'm going to encourage you to do. Every day that you wake up, come up with a list of 5 things that you're grateful for. That's it, 5 things that you're grateful for. So I'm going to give you my list when I woke up this morning. I woke up on Oahu. It is winter time right now, and in the United States, it's cold. Like, I don't like being cold. Like, I'm wearing an Aloha shirt. I'm at the beach. I'm wearing shorts. Fantastic day, right? Had a good breakfast, right? I'm on a calorie count. I track everything. I had my meal. Jumped in my car. I drove to the beach. I'm filming some YouTube videos. And, you know, I'm getting text messages from people like, hey, man, things are going great, okay? So there's 5 things that I'm grateful for. Now, I didn't know all those things when I got up, but if I had a list of 5 things that I was grateful for, those would be on that list. And you're like, hey, Scott, that sounds pretty basic. Yeah, it is. And it costs you 0. It literally costs you 0. When I was a kid in Nintendo, they had this thing called the Konami cheat code. So you would dump in a bunch of codes, like 10 buttons, and then hit enter. And it was like you got powered up. Well, this is the same thing for you. This costs you 0. And it's very basic, but it works to your benefit, okay? Because you're starting your day with some sort of intention. You're starting your day with like, here's the things that I find that are important to me. And your things aren't gonna be my things. Like some people love the snow. I think you're crazy, but that's fine. We don't have to always get along when it comes to weather, right? Some people have pets. When I had my bird and when I had my cats, like, I'm like grateful for my bird Kae, my cat Root Beer, my cat Oliver. Like, my version's not gonna be your version. This is personal to you, okay? So then this is what you do. Is you find one of your favorite spots. One of my favorite spots happens to be the beach. So then I take out my phone, right? I take my phone out, which I got right here, and I can put it on video. I've got my video going, right? So it's just like Inception. It's a video of me on the beach, and then I could just like, hey, you know what? Today is a great day. I'm at the beach, and here's 5 things that I'm grateful for. You could do it as a voice recording. So here's what happens. We're gonna layer a couple of things together. As you go through this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use some neuro-linguistic programming, and you're going to want to anchor this feeling or emotion. So my anchor is I just rub my fingers together 3 times in a circle. You can't see it under a table. You can't see what I'm doing. Like, I'm having a good day. I'm rubbing my fingers together, right? It gives me the chills. They call it chicken skin out here in Hawaii. It gives me the chills, okay? You could clap your hands. You can power anchor like they teach you in a lot of events. And then, so next on this is when you are having a bad day, when all things are going wrong, you pull out your phone and you go, I can be mad for, like, I'm going to schedule my anger here. I'm going to be mad for 15 minutes. This is my personal thing. I could be mad for 15 minutes. And I try to beat 15 minutes. Like, usually at about 6 or 7 minutes, I'm like, okay, this is stupid. I don't know why I'm mad. I'm going to get on with life. And then anchor and gratitude. Like, I pull out, like, what am I grateful for? And if I'm driving, like, I'm driving back to Kaneohe in a couple of minutes here, I could just talk out loud. I'm grateful that I'm here on Oahu. I'm grateful for all the cool things that are going on in life. I'm grateful for my family. Like, I'm giving you a list that I've already given you before because it's pre-programmed. right? Like you're gonna notice like this thing comes up. So like I may get cut off because the traffic between here and Kaneohe can suck. It's 2 lanes. And I may get cut off and I may go, gosh darn it, brr, curse word, curse word, curse word, curse word, curse word. And then go, you know what, this is stupid. I have ultimate control about what I get to think about and what I get to do. And it starts with gratitude. So my challenge for you today is to create the things, the list, the ideas, the concepts that you are grateful for, and you're gonna find out that it greatly benefits you. You got one of 3 things to do from here, just one of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.